Welcome back to our Choice YouTube channel. In today's class, we're going to learn how to make these beautiful cover buttons that we see here. You can do this with any fabric of your choice. This is the fabric I'm using. All you just need to do is your cover button maker, the cover button plastics like this, and then your fabric. So I'm going to teach you how to do this in this class. If this is something you like to learn, kindly stay tuned to the end of this tutorial. Thank you. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make our buttons, okay, cover buttons using this simple method. So you can do this at home. It's very easy and it's very fast. So all you need is this cover button maker. It comes in different sizes. You can see this indicates how big your button is going to be. So once you have this, you will need to get the cover button plastic, or I don't know what they call this, but it's used for cover button. You can get it at your tailoring accessory store. So you can see, so it's in two. It's going to come with this cover button, and then it's going to come with the cover. Okay, the cover is where you are going to tack it. So this is how it comes. So the size that I have here is for the biggest, which is the middle one here. So I'm going to teach you how to use this, but it's the same method that applies for all other sizes as well. So it comes in these two. So what you just need to do is to remove the button, the cover first, and then you work with this cover button. So you're going to get your fabric, the fabric that you want to use the cover button for, and you make sure that the fabric is going to easily wrap around your cover button like this. So you can see, so it should be able to wrap around your cover button just like this. So if it's too big, you can still reduce it a little bit because you don't want it to be too bulky. So you can see how I'm just simply cutting around it. So once you have it in your size, you're going to insert it into the space that's supposed to be, and you make sure that it is not rumpled at this part. So here I'm just trying to put it inside like this. You can see I put it inside. Make sure you drag it. Nothing should be rumpled. So once you put it inside, the rest of it that you have here, you are going to tuck it in. That's why I said it does not really have to be so big. You don't want it to be too big. You are going to tuck it in, and once you tuck it in, this part that is like this, that's where you are going to tuck it. It's going to be outside, and this other part is what you are going to use to cover it up. So you are going to go ahead now and cover it. So once you cover it like this, you're going to take the cover of the button hole maker, make sure that it is aligning well. You're going to place it on it, and then use this cover of the button hole maker to cover them all up like this. So once you cover them all up, if you have a small tailor hammer, you can use it. If not, you can just apply pressure. So you can see I'm just using my hand to apply pressure on it, and once I apply pressure, the button will be made, and then you just bring it out. So you can see you have your button already. You have your cover button made in any fabric of your choice. So if you're working with a fabric and you want the button to be similar to the fabric you're working with, this is a very simple machine you can do to this. So just apply enough pressure, and then your buttons will be ready. So you can use any fabric of your choice, and you can make it in any size of your choice. Just like I said, these sizes that you have here, you can use any of them depending on the size of the button and the button holes you are working with. It's very easy and comfortable to use. So the same way you cut around it, push this inside like this. Okay, make sure that it is flat. You can see that there is nothing packing here. Make sure that you don't have anything packing. You can even pull it out like this, and then confirm that nothing is packing under. So once you confirm that, the rest that you have here, you tuck it inside, and then you bring your cover. So once you bring your cover, this part you're going to use it to cover it up like this. And once you cover it, you take the cover here, you fold it over like this, okay, and then you apply your pressure. So once you apply your pressure, you push it out from here, and then you see that your button is made. So you can see. So it's very easy to make, and it's very easy to use. I hope you enjoy making this beautiful tutorial with me. If you enjoyed this, let us know in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.